Hi, I'm Lori Kane from the Center for Cosmetic Surgery and Medi Spa, the office of Dr. Dean Kane. He's a board-certified plastic surgeon. And we're cordially inviting you to join us at this very special EuroThread event. It's very cool, revolutionary type of injectables in which you're using threads in the face instead of an actual filler or Botox, so it's somewhat complementing fillers, but it's used very uniquely. It can be used in the face, lips, neck, chest, tummy, legs, arms. It's incredible how flexible and unique these are. So join us on April 4th, Thursday afternoon from 1 to 4 for a one-on-one personal free screening with Dr. Kane and myself to see if you're a good candidate for these threads. All right, give us a call, 410-602-3322, and visit us at drdeankane.com. Again, give us a call today because these slots are going to fill up very quickly, 410-602-3322. All right, hope to see you there.